Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys. Welcome to our new video. Today's topic is about unit weight of materials used at construction site. So here we begin. Cement weight is 1440 kilograms per meter cube. Steel weight is 7,850 kilograms per meter cube. Cement concrete, reinforced, weight 2,500 kilograms per meter cube. Bricks weight is 1,600 kilograms per meter cube. Stones, aggregates, weight 1,750 kilograms per meter cube. Sand, dry, weight is 1,540 to 1,600 kilograms per meter cube. Chalk weight is 2,100 kilograms per meter cube. Bitumen weight 1,040 kilograms per meter cube. Rubber weight 1,300 kilograms per meter cube. Slag weight is 1,500 kilograms per meter cube. Clay soil weight is 1,900 kilograms per meter cube. Coal weight is 600 kilograms per meter cube. Water weight is 1,000 kilograms per meter cube. Next topic is about unit weight of steel. So here we begin. Unit weight of 6 mm steel is 0.222 kilograms per meter. Unit weight of 8 mm steel is 0.396 kilograms per meter. Unit weight of 10 mm steel is 0.618 kilograms per meter. Unit weight of 12 mm steel is 0.888 kilograms per meter. Unit weight of 16 mm steel is 1.58 kilograms per meter. Unit weight of 20 mm steel is 2.46 kilograms per meter. Unit weight of 25 mm steel is 3.85 kilograms per meter. Unit weight of 32 mm steel is 6.32 kilograms per meter. Unit weight of 40 mm steel is 9.87 kilograms per meter. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.